This video is basically for students who have issues with their email. Issues such as maybe misspelled of the email address when they were registering for JAMB, or some students might have lost their phone and they won't be able to access their email again, and all sorts of issues that you can have with your email. So this video will basically explain how you can get your JAMB password without the use of email. Getting your JAMB password by avoiding the wrong email or the email you are unable to access by avoiding it. So I'll explain it to you properly. Just calm down and watch this video to the end. Please, if you are just joining this channel for the first time, or if you are just viewing this my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give me a like thumb, and share this video if this video actually help you. So how can you get your JAMB password despite the fact that you have a wrong email address, maybe misspelled, or basically you lost your phone or so? Now, how do you do that? Things you're going to do is just very simple. You go to your SMS. Now look at this SMS. Just like as if you want to send a message to someone, but who are you sending it to? You're sending a message to JAMB. So let's go. So go to start chat. Then which number are you sending the message to? You're sending it to 55019. So this is it. Then click on this. So checking here, we are sending a message to 55019. 55019 is the short code for JAMB. So that is the short code for JAMB. Is that how you send it to 55019, or you send it to 66019, any one of the two? So therefore, what are we sending to JAMB? We're sending password in capital letter 1. Please look at it. This is password in capital letter. Please observe what I'm typing very well. Don't make a mistake, because if there's any mistake, then you're going to get a wrong response. So you type password in capital letter, then after that they're going to space it once. Look at it very well. You are spacing it once. Let me go back. Can you see that now? Just type password in capital letter, then space it once. So if you space it once, then you enter your email address. Email address. The email address you use to register for JAMB, I'm referring to that. Whether it is the wrong spelled one, anyone, just type it there like that. Type your email address like that. Despite the fact that it is the wrong email address, type it like that. So okay, let me enter mathcamtutorial@gmail.com here. mathcamtutorial@gmail.com. okay, at gmail.com. okay, now this is our email address. In case you want to get in touch with us, you can just send a message to this our particular email address, then we'll give you a response immediately. So now, after typing your email address, remember I said the email address you are typing here should be the one you submitted, or the one you dropped, or the one you used to register JAMB. It might be the wrong spelled one. It might be the one that has got missing, maybe through your phone, maybe somebody stole your phone, or your phone lost, or any other thing. So that same email is what you should enter here. So after that, you can see, after writing this .com, don't space it. Can you see this now? I space it once, then let me delete it back. Don't space it after writing the .com. Then what do? You are going to send. You will send it, and if you are sending it, make sure that it is the same card you use to register JAMB that you must use to send it. So it's either SIM1 or SIM2, anyone you use to register JAMB. I mean the SIM card you use to generate your profile code. That's what I'm referring to. So you select it, then you send it. So after sending it, 15 naira will be deducted from your airtime, not bonus. Take note, it must be your main line. So immediately after 2 seconds, you are going to receive your JAMB password, and the password will start from CAND, small letter C. Take note of that letter. The C that will start your password will not be a capital letter C, it's going to be a small letter C. And if you are entering it into your JAMB website or your portal, make sure that you type small letter C and not capital letter C. So this basically is this video will make you to have your JAMB password, and it's going to make things easier for you, and it will give you the access to log into your JAMB portal by yourself using your mobile phone. If you find this video interesting, if you find it helpful, please give us a like thumb, give us a nice comment, and share this video. And in case you want to get in touch with us on our WhatsApp, you can just message us on the number displaying on this screen. Just stay connected with us on WhatsApp, and have a nice day. Bye.